right, thanks for coming out. As Steve said, we're going to talk about reducing risk in computer vision design with a bit of a unique perspective, and that is focusing on the user experience. We're all here today because of what I think computer vision promises. It promises to solve some of our most difficult problems and ultimately create some really great new opportunities. But with that power comes an increasing degree of complexity, and with that increasing degree of complexity comes increasing risks. And those risks really, I think, can be summarized as making good or bad decisions. And if we make those wrong, those decisions can result in over or under design of a product or a project. They can result in building the wrong thing. I thought it was interesting this morning, Dr. Kanabe, I believe was his name, talked about his laser scanning device, and he thought he had a great idea, but when he went to market with it, he found out that nobody really wanted to buy it. And that's one of the risks that we're facing with computer vision. Great capability, but man, got to be careful because it's easy to run off the rails. Another challenge that we have is around creating products that have a poor user design or user experience. So they're so complicated, people can't use them. So what my talk really proposes today is that clarity is the antidote to risk. Getting clarity around what are the exact problems that we need to solve, knowing exactly what that is, and not just a problem, but problems that are valuable to the market. And the other thing we need is tools to help us effectively weigh the options and constraints in a design. And thirdly, a systematic way to create optimal and novel solutions. I think the key that unlocks that clarity is focusing on the user experience.